Hey buddy, guess what we're about to go do? About to go get my dream dirt bike. Yeah, you excited? About to get my dream dirt bike. You're coming with. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm in the shop right now. As you guys can tell, I just said I'm gonna buy my dream dirt bike, and a deal just popped up. I bought this the other day, but this is just to buy and sell. It's not like I'm not keeping it because this is older. And I went to the track the other day with my buddy, and I really want to get a dirt bike. I really want to start riding. I used to ride all the time, every weekend when I was younger, but I've been so busy, and I haven't really had a bike that I really want. And a deal just popped up in my area. It's a really good deal, and it's a sick freaking bike. It's literally like my dream dirt bike. I've always wanted it. And we're about to roll out, hop in the truck. It's late at night, but we're gonna make it happen. So got some ratchet straps, got the truck, or my buddy's truck, and we're rolling out. I don't got my truck right now. It's not here right now, and
got repos. Don't be lying to the don't lie to the fans.
And we got, you know, we got the little shop pet. We haven't named him yet, so I would say his name, but Matthews is indecisive on a name. But look, he's chilling, hanging out. Look how cute that thing's so damn cute. But we're about to go get this dirt bike, and I'm freaking hyped. I'm not gonna lie. This thing's literally so sick, insane. But let's lock up and roll out. Ready to rock. Dad's still down.
Woohoo!
Matthews.
Oh, we're doing some burnout.
Matthews is the chauffeur of the day.
Dream bike.
Of tonight. Buying literally the dirt bike I've always wanted. And I mean, I could afford it, but I would never drop $12,000 on a dirt bike, so I just have never got it. I'm gonna attach a clip later in the video of like literally me and Matthews back in the day. You remember that? Matthews? Seeing the same bike like back in Naples a while back?
Oh yeah.
Literally, we went to this guy's house because I bought another bike a while back, and this guy had this brand new KTM, brand new, like sick, and me and Matthews were drooling over it back in the day. But now this is the same bike, and it's not back in the day. We're in the present, so now it's actually happening. That was probably, I guess I'll look at the timestamp, but that was probably 3 years ago. So I'm pretty excited. So this is a kind of weird deal. We're actually picking up the guy from his house. Believe it or not, random guy off Craigslist. Picking him up and bringing him to his shop because I guess he doesn't have a car or something like that. I don't know, but it's a nice community. I mean, I'm sure he's a nice guy. It's a nice bike, I don't know. But figured, I don't know. It's a really weird deal, but that's what we're doing. So we're gonna pick him up and then head to his shop, and that's where the bike's at. We're here. Dad's gonna hop in the back. He's got some badass toys.
Yeah, he's got a dune buggy.
Yep. I'm gonna hop out.
Dune buggy.
Come on, bro. I'm Judah.
Got enough room?
Yeah. My dad's just gonna ride in the back.
All right. I got this for you on this one. I never wore it. It's a KTM Troy Lee shirt.
Oh, okay.
Brand new. If I get rid of it, I ain't got it.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Good, dude. Yeah.
Expensive.
Nice toy. Looked
Hold
like a
on to
nice
it for now, I guess.
sand rail
Yeah,
back
sorry,
there.
it's badass
Yeah,
toys.
it's my dad's.
Street legal?
Nice.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, he built that like shit 25 years ago.
Is that your shop or something?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, I'll ride.
How far's the shop?
Like 5 minutes, right? You good back there, Dad? Ready to rock. He has something to say. You good back there?
Oh, my pancreas!
Oh my God. I'm about to hit you with
Are we
this.
here?
We made it.
Jesus.
Guy's a gnarly guy.
Gang. Which is bad.
Oh, he just kind of stretched
It looks like a scrambler.
He stretched out the front and stuff. It
Oh,
wasn't
the front, yeah, it looks like really long.
What's up, buddy?
Oh,
Yeah,
look at
yeah.
that.
He's redoing it for my uncle. It was my grandfather's.
What's it got for power?
It's got 3 or 2 in it.
All right,
We're
huh?
gonna redo the whole thing.
Yeah.
He rebuilt it at one.
It looks like a scrambler body. It's so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
You know what Poopy just did? This thing is fucking sick. It's literally the same bike. Like identical. Same year, same everything.
Yeah, you got it for free.
Oh shit! I didn't know that.
Oh, it's electric, yeah.
Damn, I didn't know that. What year is it? The 17? So what year did they start that?
I think.
Oh, it's only electric, so you don't even
it's
have a
only
kick on it.
electric, so-
Damn, that's no joke. So what? You just pull this in and
No,
Can
just
you show me how it works?
Push the brake button.
which one?
Push this. Right?
Oh, damn. No, it's electric start. is like I didn't want a bike, and this weekend my boy let me ride his bike, and I was like, I need to get a bike. 6'9". 6'9" is good luck. Last two numbers.
A few laps at tracks and trails.
Oh yeah. Too bad that place is gone. That was a great
I
track.
know, man, I love that
I
place.
think they just didn't manage it right. Pretty sick track. So next morning, I told Matthews we got people coming over, and he's still freaking sleeping, and it's like, it's way too late, so we're gonna wake him up with a dirt bike. Come on, bro, we got people coming over. Look who's finally awake. Let me get a handle to that thing. I want to ride off the roof. You sure you can handle all this bald eagle power right here?
Yeah, let me.
This is a lot of
dirt bike in how long?
This is a lot of eagles right here. This is straight America. Nah, this isn't America. It's a KTM, but easy, son. Jesus, dude.
We need to be swapped up, bro. This bitch is fast. Like straight up, like.
I wonder what this shit does.
What
Like trash
what is
control?
1 and 2? What is that?
I think 2's like the bigger tune.
That thing's gonna bog out.
Bro, there's no seat for me to sit on. Yo, let me sit on your shoulder.
Oh my god, go. Let's see it. This is not gonna end good.
Is that
I
neutral?
think you can get on Donnie's shoulders.
I think I can.
That would be something right there. Let's see this.
I gotta switch gears.
Oh my god, dude.
No, give me that glove.
No laws.
No way.
No laws.
way.
That bitch is bogging out.
Matthew's holding your nuts. Your nuts.
Oh, go. Keep it straight. Keep it straight.
Nuts on my neck.
Yo, keep it straight.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, they're gonna eat it. They're gonna eat it.
I don't even think that was possible. What we got going on here? I've never seen such a thing.
We can't turn. Bro, we gotta perfect this.
She's never done a wheelie, and
First time you met her.
yeah, this is gonna be her first time, and good thing I'm a professional, cause what could go wrong?
You really better be a professional.
What happened?
She got branded.
I can't pull the clutch in.
I literally said, watch the exhaust, and while I'm saying watch the exhaust, like grilled, straight grilled, and then she hits it again.
Hey,
On my way out.
She got branded.
Do some.
I've seen it happen so many times, that's why I said. Hey, we're the first to ever do that.
Have Matthew sit in front of it now and wheelie it. Think that's too much weight?
I can do anything. I can do anything I set my mind to.
Take private jet
So
and I
we got a
travel
friend
around.
here, Bella. Say
Hey,
what's
guys.
up.
What's up?
And
My name's Bella.
we also got the skis here. We got my man David. Dude, come on, bro. Not for the cam. Don't do that to them. And we got the ski, so we're about to take the ski out.
Just a ski. Nobody else.
and we're gonna send this jump. How do we even send that? Put some plywood in there?
Which one?
You're gonna kill yourself.
Well, there's a jump in the water?
No, I was gonna make one and jump into the water. I was thinking we set up some sticks and some plywood, and then we jump into the canal.
Pretty sweet.
On the
I
bike.
say off the bike. Where's the bike?
You think that bike's like a one-time wonder though?
No, you need to put a life check on it. You can get it again.
Think that would save it?
Yeah, we did it in my old neighborhood when we used to do it. Put
A life jacket will keep it up. What a nice guy. All my friends left on all my toys.
They left you, so I came back.
Left me on all my toys and forgot about me. Oh. Come on, bro. You ever ridden one of these? Can you handle all the power? Ready to rock. Wow. That's so strong. What a man.
First gear, bro. Already tell this thing is insane.
We're dropping the ski in the water. Gonna do a little bit of wakeboarding, you know. See what happens. You never know what's gonna happen around here. You think you can clear that, bro? You think you could clear that?
Say what? Oh yeah.
You think you got
think
that?
if you had, honestly, that's pretty far.
That's a big jump. That would be gnarly.
60, 70 foot jump. Bro.
What are you doing, bro?
Bro, I could not back this thing up.
This thing is so hard to get into neutral.
It's because you don't need neutral when you're going fast. What is this?
You like that?
Did you wheelie that thing up?
Nope.
Let it rip. Tater chip. You have the plugs in?
No.
Oh, you're stuck. You don't have the plugs in?
No, I forgot to be honest with you.
Really?
A little bit.
Hey, pull back up. He didn't put the plugs in. He's an idiot. You're stuck on the lip. Tater chip. Oh God.
You're good.
This is about to get interesting. Oh, it just popped. Slide off any minute.
No, chill, motherfucker.
He'll sink it. I would say yeah, send it, but he'll sink that thing because there's no plugs in it. Should we do it anyway though?
Drop him in.
We didn't really like that kid.
The plugs are in.
Oh, they're in? All right, send them back. Full speed. Hell yeah, brother. Did you bring your bathing suits?
I have a sports bra on.
That'll work.
Dude, we need to build a little barge out here. Like a little float thing. That'd be raw.
With a ramp. What in the world is going on here? What are these kids doing? What are these kids doing? What you doing in here?
Just
Gold? Is it golden hour?
boys. What?
It's golden hour, I know.
Always golden hour, baby. Good job.
Bert is the name. Who's wakeboarding first? You're up.
Hell yeah, brother.
Let's see it, brother. If you can get up first try,
Bro.
I don't know what I'll do, but
Bella, you're gonna do this? Hell yeah, let me put my booties on.
yeah, that's all you. You gotta go right from here. We're gonna hook up the rope, and you're gonna get ripped straight from here.
You starting from here?
Yeah, she's gonna go over the rocks.
Getting bit by
You realize it's in gear. You can't push it.
exactly.
You gotta pull in that one. Pull in the left one, then you push it. See? See, you learn something every day.
Judah. Judah is what?
And then you gotta go. Give some gas. Rev her up.
I can't.
Rev her up. There. So now you gotta let go slowly.
I know, I'm gonna try.
Let's see it. See it, Motor Girl. He rides for KTM now. Boom. There she goes. She's got it. See, she's a pro.
Wow, she's a pro.
Pro. Athlete.
Somebody sponsored it. I almost just broke my hand.
Sponsored by JG. Alright, so what's the chances of me actually pulling this off right now? I feel like the odds of me landing this are pretty good.
I feel like
I say 69%.
Oh my god, what you hit?
That did not go as planned.
Is your legs
I'm good.
Yo, congrats on the bike. I'm gonna go to bed.
Yo, get the out, bro.